doing an experiment with oil. As you can see, my hair is very shiny. And I'm going outside because it's 1 degree here because I live in Canada. So when I go outside, I'll do it just right now. Hi. Now we're outside and I'm just gonna wait. Now it's already very stiff because I was actually using olive oil. No. It was not olive, it was coconut oil, not olive oil. It was coconut oil. And that's why now my hair is really stiff. That's why it feels kind of hurt. I'm not lying. This is some of it. That's why I'm pulling out this much. And it's really weird. So then when I leave it, it's usually, you know how hair usually will stick up? Since this is already very stiff, it's really heavy that look, I tried to keep it up for a little bit, but then it just falls. If I leave it, it just falls. See? So the reason why my hairs are like this is because it's made saturated and non-saturated things are with fat, which they both freeze when it's really cold. Because right now it's 1 degree right now, so that's why it's really spiky. Well, not really spiky, because if I take a little bit of it up, it's not spiky from the top. It's good from the top, but then the rest is really spiky. It kind of hurts when I take some off. Yep, that hurts. So I'm not gonna do that. Bye. And that's the end of the